Many of VA's mental health apps include features like assessments, logs, and worksheets that you may want to share with your healthcare team or a loved one. Sharing these items is simple. You can export them directly from the apps. For example, you can export your sleep diary from CPT iCoach, your symptom assessments from PTSD Coach, or your anger control plan from AIMS for anger management. How you export your data will look a little different with each app, but in most VA mental health apps, you'll select the 3 lateral bars in the upper left-hand corner to open the main menu to get an export or manage data option. In some apps, you'll find this under Settings. Today, we'll show you an example of how to export data using the CPT Coach app. CPT Coach app is an app for people participating in cognitive processing therapy with a mental health provider. This app includes worksheets, assessments, logs, and writing assignments. Once you've completed something you'd like to share with your healthcare team, select the lateral bars to open the main menu. Then choose Export Data. Here is the full list of items you can export from the app. The default setting is to export everything. You can switch the individual toggle to off if there is anything you do not want to export. Once you've chosen the items you'd like to share, select Export. When you select Export, a privacy warning will appear, reminding you that you're sending data out from the app and recommending that you share the data to a secure personal account. Please note that until you send or share it, your data is only stored in your phone or tablet. VA does not have access to anything that you enter into your device. Once you select Continue, you have several options depending on your device and other apps you have on the device. You can send the file to yourself or someone else via text, email, or other messenger app. A message will pop up with the information you've chosen to export as an attachment. Then input your email address or phone number and press Send. You also have the option to save the file to your phone by selecting Save to Files on an iPhone or saving to a folder on an Android phone. You can also save the files to apps like Google Drive or Dropbox if you have them downloaded on your device. If you receive your care at VA, here are some tips for sharing files with your VA provider. Sometimes the files that you download from VA mental health apps will be in a .csv format. If you want to share these files using MyHealthyVet, you will need to convert the file to a format that is acceptable to MyHealthyVet, like .xls or .xlsx. This is easiest using a desktop or laptop computer. Step 1. Email the exported worksheets or entries to yourself. Step 2. One at a time, open the worksheet or form in either Excel or Google Sheets. Step 3. In Excel, you will navigate to the File tab, select Save As, and select Excel Workbook. In Google Sheets, you would select Download. If you do not have access to these programs, a computer, or otherwise need any further assistance exporting data from the app, please contact the VA Mobile Mental Health Program at mobilementalhealth@va.gov. Sharing your progress can be an important part of your mental health treatment plan. Exporting worksheets, assessments, and logs directly from your VA apps can help. All VA apps are free, private, and easy to use. Check out the full suite of VA's mental health apps today at www.ptsd.va.gov/mobile.